Alright you guys, we are back with another Jeffree Star unboxing video. So, today we are going to be unboxing the Jeffree Star Lounge Halloween Grinder Bundle. So, we got all three of these grinders. Let's see how they come packaged. So here's how they come from Star Lounge. This is my little packing slip. And then the three grinders right here. So here they are. First off, the white one is dented. I don't know if you can tell, but right here, totally smashed in, which sucks because this was the middle one. So here they are. Bam, just like this. So we are going to open them up. They come with the little cellophane. Okay, cute! I was wondering if the faces would match up like that. So, let's open her up. The inside is bright green, so that's super cute. And yay, she does close back together. So, let's check out her little spoon, her little neon green spoon right there, and okay, cute. So yeah, it does screw back together so the face won't get jumbled up and like the mouth won't be over here, eyes over here. So it's super cute. So here's the witch. This one is the pumpkin. Cellophane. Bam. So this one has a green leaf on the top, and let's see what color scraper she has. Okay, so she has an orange scraper and the inside of this is black. Cute, Miss Pumpkin. So also it says the name on the top, so it's the Ghost 63mm. It has a little ghost face. And then the ghost. So, again, the box is messed up, which is sad because I save these and display them throughout my room. But this guy, the little ghost. Bam. Right here. Ta-da! And let's open him up. And he has a little white scraper, and he's white inside. Super cute! So, again, these were the Jeffree Star bundle deal. It is on Star Lounge, and it is $60 for all three of them. So, again, Star Lounge website. The bundle deal is $60 for all three. You could get the big sizes. He does have a glow-in-the-dark grinder, which is a 63mm grinder, as well as the big jars. So you can see they're pretty big compared on the phone right there. So, yes, this was my Jeffree Star Halloween Grinder Bundle unboxing. Have a good one. Okay, bye!